All right, guys. Okay, today we're gonna take a little sneak peek into my Notion. So what I'm doing here is that I'm just gonna take you into basically how I structure my Notion and what I've got planned for next year, well this year, 2022, and how just the things I use to really both backtest and analyze my trading strategy going forward for the next year. So I'm gonna give you just a little breakdown as to how I structure everything, what I'm doing, what I'm planning, how I keep track of my trades, and what I'm going to be doing to basically test and refine my strategy going forward for the next year. So without further ado, let's go. Hi guys, Any, aka the Not Trader, your friendly neighborhood swing trader, back again with another video. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that alert button to get alerts on all my latest videos. I've got Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at the Not Trader on all social media platforms. So, welcome to the home page of my Notion. Now, I've recently edited the structure of my Notion for 2022 because I wanted to have it a bit more streamlined and have things in an order that made sense. So here is my master plan for 2022. I'm not gonna go into that because I've got some secret stuff that I that I don't want to share with everyone. But it's just a high level plan of all the things I want to achieve each quarter this year. And I've broken it down to the quarter. So Q1 I have certain activities, Q2 I have certain activities, Q3 and Q4, and I want to tick them on as I go along. With all the achievements, some of them are trading achievements like securing a certain amount of funded capital. Others are personal achievements for my YouTube channel and my social media platform. So to get to maybe 5,000 subscribers on Instagram, subscribe to my Instagram, guys, please, thank you, please. A certain amount of subscribers on my YouTube page. I'm sitting at 6,000. I'm sitting at 6,000 for a little bit of time, but that's my own fault. I haven't been posting consistently. I need to be more consistent with my posts. But yeah, just certain things like that I've got as a checklist, and I've got tasks below them as to what I want to do to achieve these goals. For example, trying to post twice a week on YouTube. That will help me get my numbers up, etc. Commenting on other people's videos, all that type of stuff, you know. Here I got my psychology. And these are just a number of videos that I've found on YouTube that are really good psychology videos. I think some of them are just all about trading in the zone, and just Mark Douglas videos, other trading psychology videos. If you guys have any good trading psychology videos for me to watch, send them to me, link me in the chat, or send them to me and I'll add them to my list. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to watch each video and then take notes and then consolidate them into a way that makes sense to me, and then maybe regurgitate it into my own little piece of content. But this is more for myself. So I watch each video, I take notes, reflect over them, and then watch another one, take notes, reflect over them, put all the notes together, and then make it into like almost like a course. But it's not going to be for other people, it's going to be for myself. I might share it right out for you guys for free, to be honest, but this is more just because psychology is my biggest issue right now. My trading is actually pretty good, A1, but my psychology is a big issue. So I'm always trying to make sure I'm continuously doing stuff to improve my psychology. Then we got some strategy ideas. So I've got these two strategies that I've developed. The ascending wedge strategy. I made a video about this actually. And then the bull flag strategy. Now, it's not the typical bull flag or extended wedge strategy. This one I shared a review in the previous video, so if you check that video, it explains exactly what you need to do. This one I'm not sharing with anyone yet because I haven't backtested it enough yet to really make sure it works. So once I backtested it and I've got enough use cases to really know it works, then I'll share it out with the public. But as of now, this one's still in the works. But here's this folder is where I create strategies that I think will work, and then I backtest them to see how useful they are. With the ascending wedge one, for example, I outline which ones are the winning trades, some examples, and how to use it, how to avoid it, all that type of stuff. I've made a video about it anyway. Now here we have the top trades. Now every so often I will, whenever I've made a trade that was really good and I'm really proud of it, I will do a breakdown. I'll do a really big breakdown of that trading strategy, and then just go through each hourly time frame and explain my analysis as to how I got to the result I did. For example, this is one of the most recent ones, 27th of December, AUD USD. I'll look at the daily, look at the 4 hour, look at the hourly, look at the 2 minute, look at the 15 second, explain my entry, explain the results, and just so that I have a log of really, really good trades, and I'll look at these continuously once a week or something, just so that I know in the back of my mind what a strong trade looks like, because I have a log of all of the top trades I've taken over the last year or two, and the different strategies that one for the 4-hour order block strategy, one for the intraday scalp strategy. And I just keep a log of all of the trades that I think are the top notch trades. For the most part, most of these trades I've made videos on. So yeah, there's videos on my channel on some of these trades. So I'm all over the place, but here we got the daily routine. So I've created a routine for myself that I want to try and make sure I do daily. One is to meditate for 2 minutes. I've seen some other guys that are really good traders talk about how they meditate every morning just so that they can clear their mind or go for a run right before they start trading. I think that's a good way to start your day anyway. So I'm going to try and implement that into my daily routine every morning. Then I look over my weekly plan. So what trades do I like the setup of for the week ahead? Normally this is something I'll do on a Sunday night, and then I'll set my alerts so that when price hits a certain zone that I want to take a trade in, then I can react from that. But I'll make sure my alerts are set on a Sunday night, Monday morning. Then I'll update my demon finder. I'll show you what the demon finder is. This is something I stole from someone else. I can't remember who it was for the life of me. If you guys know, put in the comment section below. But there's this demon finder thing where I think it was Trader Dante that made it. And what he does is that, actually, let me go into it now. The demon finder, basically what you do is that you make a list, and it's like, and then you put each day down and you go, did I exit a trade too soon? Did I exit a trade too late? Did I enter too soon? Did I not take my trade? Did I take a trade that wasn't in my plan? Did I incorrectly place my stop loss? Did I not take a trade that fit my plan? Did I FOMO into a trade? And did I overtrade? Now each day you'll tick a box based on which of these things you've done. What you want to do is by the end of the month, you want to have, or end of the week, you do it weekly or monthly, you want to keep your number as low as possible, because each time you tick one, you get 1 point on that. And then, so the idea is to have as low a score as possible. This isn't about how much money you made, this is about how close you stuck to your plan. And you know, they say sticking to your plan is more important than making money, because if you make money and you're not sticking to your plan, you may have a short-term success, but long-term you'll be losing. But if you stick to the plan and you don't make money, that you may have short-term losses, but in the long term you'll be successful. So this demon finder is all about finding what parts of your strategy are you not sticking to. Is it that you FOMO into trades? Is it that you enter too soon? And this is a log to stay true to, so that you know that on a daily basis, once you start analyzing, you can see, maybe I need to work on this part of my strategy based on the fact that I've not stuck to the plan 12 days in a row, whatever. You can really analyze the data and start looking inwards and seeing what things in your strategy are not good, based off of filling these in on a daily basis. So yeah, I'll fill in the demon planner on a daily basis. Make sure to log every single infraction made each day, and try to keep under 10 points a week. So that's my plan, to keep under 10 points a week. Really, it should be 0, but you got to start somewhere, and then you try and reduce it each week. So yeah, that's the plan. And then obviously look over challenge strategy. So I want to obviously pass another challenge. I've got a strategy as to how I pass my challenges. As you can see in my max allocation video, I've been doing well in passing challenges, and there's a specific strategy I've been using to pass them in a really quick amount of time. I might share it with you guys soon in the video, but as of now, I just look over that strategy all the time, just to make sure that I'm sticking to the plan or the strategy by reading it every day. And then log every trade in an activity tracking journal. So this is my activity tracking journal. January, obviously I haven't made any trades in January. This is some old data. I'm just gonna delete that, but yeah, this is just my tracking journal. So I'll put the pair here, the date that I opened it, date that I closed it, position, whether it's long or short, risk to reward, that's the potential risk to reward I can make, what session I entered it in, so it's New York, London, or Tokyo, or Asian session. Results, what was the result of the trade, what the confidences are, was it 1 hour point of interest, 4 hour point of interest, daily trend, etc. A photo of the before, a photo of the after, and then some notes. So notes, any notes that about the trade, and then my confidence level. So this is something that I've been implementing. I might change this to ABC rather than 90%, 8%, 77%. And what this is that I log how confident I am that the trade will be successful before it plays out, and then I go back and I retroactively look at a lot of my 90% I found have been successful. This one wasn't, but then that shows that there's a certain level of intuition that you have when you kind of know a trade is is not going to go your way or whether it is. And once you start believing in that, once you have like a 70-60% confident trade, it's like, should I really take it? Because the data shows that whenever I have a 60-70% confidence in a trade, it never really plays out. So you kind of know which ones are going to, well, I know anyway, because when I look at some of my data, I realized that a lot of the high percentage confidence ones were playing out. So then why don't I use this data as part of a way of to sieve out the trades that shouldn't be taken? Because that's my issue. There's lots of trades. I make some good trades, but then in between those really good trades, I take some unnecessary ones because I'm bored and it's something I need to curb. And that's what all of this stuff is about. And then I have outstanding tasks. I'm not going to show you that again because that's just my own little checklist of things I need to do. And the daily routine is just kind of what I showed you down there. I put it here, but then it's also down here as well. Because I wanted to see the daily routine on the main page. So you got the master plan, psychology, strategy ideas, top trades, daily routine, outstanding tasks, demon finder, and activity trading, active trades. If there's any other stuff that you think I should add to my Notion, let me know. And yeah, if you got any psychology videos that I should use, also let me know, guys. This is just a short video. I just wanted to share with you my 2022 plan and strategy through Notion. It's Any, aka the Not Trader, signing out.